Most people wait until they see the result to believe it's possible. But the truth? Reality doesn't follow your eyes. It follows your voice. Before it shows up in the physical, it must be spoken into the field. Words are the trigger. Emotion is the current. Faith is the fuse. Welcome to Manifestramind, where we don't chase, we align. Florence Scovel Shinn once said, "Your word is your wand." And in the quantum world, where thought, energy, and emotion create matter, that couldn't be more true. You're not just speaking to hear yourself. You're speaking to code reality. You're placing a command in the universal field, which then reflects it with eerie precision. Your words are declarations, not descriptions. Not, "This is what I see," but "This is what I claim." And when your words are charged with belief, emotion, and repetition, they activate the creative mechanism of the universe. They activate the code of becoming. Why declaration works? Before evidence appears, your subconscious absorbs what you repeat, especially when it's your own voice. When you speak something often enough, your inner world begins to accept it as fact. And once your inner world shifts, the outer world adjusts in response. Declarations reshape your thoughts, your posture, and your energy. They upgrade your identity, and identity is what the universe recognizes. This is more than mindset. It's energetic programming. But here's the key. You don't just declare from your lips. You declare from your state, from your breath, from your conviction. A declaration without belief is noise. A declaration with emotion, that's quantum alignment. So don't just say, "I am abundant." Say it like you're remembering who you've always been. Say it like you're waking up the part of you that forgot. Say it with your chest, with your breath, with your bones. Say it until your nervous system relaxes into it. Say it until it feels like the most obvious thing in the world. Say it until your body accepts it as familiar, not foreign, because your voice is not just vibration. It's creation. It's coding the field with intention. Here's how to use the power of declaration daily. Pick 1 to 3 declarations that speak directly to the life you desire. Not "I want," but "I am." I have. It is done. Say what the future version of you already knows to be true. Say them out loud every morning and night. Speak them with energy, even if your voice shakes, even if your mind pushes back. Because that resistance? That's the old code trying to survive. Visualize as you declare. Let your words build the image. Let your body feel the shift. Let your mind step into the moment before it's even real. This is not about pretending. It's about pre-creating, about letting the quantum field know who you really are, not who you used to be. Look around you right now. Everything you see, the walls, the money in your account, the people in your life, is a reflection of what you've allowed to be declared through you. Every time you say, "I can't," the universe listens. Every time you say, "I always mess it up," the quantum field aligns with that timeline. But every time you say, "It is mine," "I am worthy," "I am the one," the code shifts. A new timeline becomes available, and the field begins bending around your voice. Declare it first, feel it next. Then, see it, because what you see with your eyes is the echo. But what you speak with your soul, that's the command. That's the password. That's the access point to everything you've ever desired. Thank you for aligning with me today. Repeat, trust, receive, and remember. Your mind is the portal, and your word is the wand that unlocks it. Speak wisely. The field is always listening.